Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a very pretty classic Christmas look. I don't know if this is classic because it's definitely very sultry, but it is so easy. I used what, 1, 2, 3 eyeshadows to create this look. It's really pretty with the glitter, the red bold lips, and of course I wanted to show you guys a Christmas inspired outfit in case you struggle like me to wear something cute and comfy but also like sexy in a way. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see more videos like this where I can maybe show you guys outfits that you can put together. Other than that, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video. Hello you guys. We are starting off by prepping the lids. You already know Dominique Everlasting Base. This is the GOAT at this point. I'm laying that down and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of tape. I do always stick it to the back of my hand and then go into my skin just so when we remove it, it doesn't tug at it so hard or it doesn't tug at the skin. Make sure that it's even or as even as possible. And then we're going to go right in. This look is super easy. It's going to go by pretty quick because honestly the steps are just ridiculously easy. You guys are gonna be able to create this look in maybe 15-20 minutes. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty setting powder to set underneath the brows. I'm going in with this MAC soft brown eyeshadow. I have been obsessed with it for the past month. It's all I've been using. It's the perfect transitional shade if you're my skin tone or a little bit darker. This is like the perfect everyday eyeshadow. It's warm, it's not too intense, and it's just so pretty to throw it into the crease, and it looks beautiful. I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, and I'm using this caramel shade all over the lid. Again, simple is what we're going for in the eyes, but also really pretty. I think what brings this whole look together is the glitter, which I will show you guys in a bit. As you can see, I just laid that down all over the lid, and I went back with a fluffy brush to just blend and soften up the edges. I'm going in with an angled brush. This is from e.l.f. It is so good. I will link it for you guys. It's perfect for eyeshadows or for gel eyeliners. I like it for both. I'm using a little bit of black and winging it out or creating a wing, and then going back with a little bit more of that brown and blending the edges. All I'm doing is really building up the intensity. So I go back with the brown, blend out the black liner, and then go back with more black. Right here, I'm using this little activated powder gel liner thing from Decay Beauty just to make that black stand out a little bit more, and then using a pencil brush that's very small and diffusing the edges so we can get that super nice smoky look. And then again, going with that brown eyeshadow from the Master Mattes palette and blending the edges so everything looks nice and soft. I am taking a little bit of my NYX Glitter Glue. You can use lash glue if you don't have any glitter glue. That works as well. And I'm going to take this Artist Couture little glitter eyeshadow. It is so beautiful. I've had it for so many years. And anytime I want to go for a bronzy, glittery eye look, this is my go-to because it is so beautiful. It is reflective. And it's not exactly glitter. It's loose pigment, but it looks stunning on the eyes. Perfect for the holidays. I'm going to go back with a little bit more of the black, and I'm just intensifying it at this point. We're going to take off the tape and you will see how beautiful it looks. You can angle it how you want. I want it a little bit more of a cat eye, so I extended it out. And then we're going in with a little bit of mascara. This is ColourPop's Level Up Mascara. It is my absolute favorite, my go-to, because it really does make the lashes a little bit longer. And then going in with these Ioni Hybrid Cat Eye Medium Lashes, I really wanted to play on the cat eye effect. So I figured that we were going to use some lashes that would really extend and accentuate the cat eye. So these are the ones, and they're affordable. Now we're gonna move on to the base. The base, I really wanted velvet skin, soft, matte, beautiful, blurred, flawless skin. So we're gonna start by applying our pore minimizing primer. You guys already know Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer is my go-to. I use a small little brush to help me get into every nook and cranny and to really get into the pores and make them disappear. Then of course we want the foundation and the rest of our makeup to last all night long. So I'm going in with my current favorite gripping primer from SHEGLAM. I love this stuff, you guys. It grips the makeup. It gets so tacky and sticky in the best way, and it hydrates the skin. I don't know how to explain it. It's a beautiful hybrid of a primer, and I've been enjoying it so much. So use that. And I've also been obsessed with the SHEGLAM Skinfluencer Balm foundation. Oh my gosh, stunning. Now this is a new product. This is by Chanel. It's the bronzer, the cream gel bronzer. A little bougie. I know, who is she? I don't ever buy luxury makeup like this, but I've had my eye on this bronzer for a long time, and I finally decided to buy it. And let me tell you, I do not regret it. Going in with a little bit of Juvia's Place cream blush. I went a little overboard. I think I forgot how creamy and like pigmented these are, but it looks so beautiful in the end. These give you such a hydrated and like fresh look onto your face that I'm obsessed. I literally need every single color because they are that pretty. I use the side where I use my foundation on the brush to blend it out, and I know it looks a little scary, but trust the process. This is another product that I've been obsessed with, the SHEGLAM concealer. Oh my goodness. The applicator, 10 out of 10. The concealer, 10 out of 10. The formula, oh my gosh, 20 out of 10. It is thick, it is full coverage, but it's creamy and it doesn't crease so much. Obsessed. I highly recommend. If you guys are wanting to try it out now because they have a bunch of deals. But anyways, we're gonna set the under eyes using my favorite product at the moment. I guess this is almost a full face of my current beauty favorites. This is the Patrick Star One Size Powder. This right here, let me put you on it. It is from Sephora. Oh my gosh, the Sephora collection baked bronzer blush highlight. It is so beautiful. I don't know if it's still on sale, but I got it for only $8. I fell in love with it and I've been obsessed. I cannot put it down. It literally gives velvet skin. If that's what you want, this is a product for you. I mixed both of the blushes and then I finished it off by applying the highlighter. It is so beautiful. This is the perfect palette for mature skin. If you are, I don't know, in your 40s and your 50s and your 60s, whatever, and you have a little bit of wrinkles, you have a little bit of texture, it doesn't matter because this product is going to look so beautiful on you. I need to get a backup for my mom because I feel like she would definitely love something like this. I'm applying a little bit of black eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay. It's probably the best eyeliner I've ever tried, and I don't wear black much, but this one stays and it doesn't budge. I'm also going to smudge it a little bit using a very detailed brush. I don't want to go too crazy, but I do want to smoke it out just a tiny bit. And then I'm gonna go back with Soft Brown by MAC, and I'm just blending out the edges and using a little bit of that brown shade from the Mario palette. Super pretty, setting the skin using the Morphe spray. And then we're going in with a red lip. Classic Christmas look. I didn't get the whole video, but this is it. This is all you need. And this is the final look. Okay guys, so this is the outfit. I think I'm definitely gonna wear it with some black like tights. I just couldn't find them and I had to hurry and finish filming. But what do you guys think? I love this outfit. This skirt is so cute. It hugs me in all the right places, and the best part is it was thrifted, so it was super affordable and the quality is just amazing. I love it. It's like giving old money vibes, but yeah, it is a little big on me, so I have to like clip it back, but I love this outfit. Again, some black tights. I think it's really going to pull this look together. And this is the final look. I love this. It's very like simple, but very glam. You can totally tone it down, maybe change the black for brown. If you don't want to be so bold, you can change the lips for a nude color, just add a gloss. I don't know, but this is definitely giving, I am going to a Christmas party and I am here to slay, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Not only a makeup tutorial, but also an affordable Christmas inspired outfit. This is definitely what I will be wearing for Christmas because I'm gonna stay home and I want to look cute, but I want to be able to take off my boots whenever I want. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.